Guys, and welcome to Credit Wiping. You can find the purchase, or you can find this video, and you can find your access to Credit Wiping at creditwiping.com. That's creditwiping.com. Okay, for the most part, this is kind of like a video that I'm sending out to my own personal subscribers, and you need to go to creditwiping.com as far as to get the download for the credit wiping software and get started. Now, the best thing about credit wiping is, first of all, I'll tell you right off the bat, there's two programs that we offer. We offer a do-it-yourself program. It's a program that you can do it yourself. That's why we created this particular video series and software group to help you, because a lot of people, it's very hard to do credit repair. It's not hard. It's challenging when you actually have to get the letters, send off the letters, and get the replies in the mail, and knowing how to handle the replies and doing your second and third submissions. Typically, by the time you get to your third submissions, you would see tremendous improvement on your credit report, because 9 times out of 10 your vendors, they don't and they won't respond. And if they don't and won't respond, they're going to remove that particular trade line, negative trade line, off your credit report, which always has a positive effect on your overall score. In this particular credit repair program that we have, we kind of consolidated it to everything being online. It's easier to do it online, because once you have it online, you have your credit report in front of you, then it's a situation literally that you can just point and click and things of that sort. So it's really the easiest way you can do it. You can literally point and click, and that's pretty much all you have to do, so you can actually start to clean up your credit reports and get everything together. Now, as far as the overall program itself, it works. Now, one good thing about the program is the program is set up for individuals, which means that people that want to clean up their credit report, they can clean up their credit report. And people that want to use it as a business, or they want to use it commercially, this is something that you can do as well. I would highly advise you to keep this under your hat, because just like when we created our ebook series, the Shelf Corp series, I watched 50, 60, 70,000 copies sell, and I seen a very, very, very low turnover as far as people that didn't say they didn't benefit. And we also seen the Shelf Corp market kind of like go out of business, because people were literally setting up corps, and then they would go and re-edit the corp and relist them. Pretty much that's the key. They would relist the corp somewhere else, and they would know which corps had trade lines, and they would pretty much piggyback on those corps that had trade lines, relist it, and then hard pull the corp, and then boom, there's a merging effect that happens, and therefore then all the trade lines come over to the new corp, because the system is confused as far as who's corp, what corp, but they have similar names, and that was the magic. And we showed you guys for $50. For $50, you can set up your corp, and you can set up multiple corps over and over and over and over. Not $50, not $50 a corp, but $50 for one purchase, and you can just use the software over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Okay, but as far as the credit wiping is essentially the same thing. Once you know what you are doing, then you can just plug the new person into your to your software, and you can clean their credit. It's a great way for people that want to make money at home. I'm not talking about like really like make money at home. I'm talking about like make serious money, because when you start doing credit repair and you get good at it, you have an endless supply of clients, and everybody needs your help. That's kind of like we've seen with our products, CPNs and trade lines, and you start making a lot of money, and you start getting the attention of people that say, "Wow, how's this guy making all this money?" The next thing you know, they're trying to figure out how they can stop you or how they can be a part of it. It's a bittersweet situation when you're making money, So the bitter is they want to try to stop you even when you're not doing anything bad. People saying bad things about you, but the good is all the people that you help, the things that you can do for yourself. But that's just a part of the game. They root for you when you're the young LeBron, and then when you become King LeBron, everybody want to hate on you. That's just the nature of the beast. But as far as getting back to credit repair, the system is very easy. Like I say, it's a point and click credit repair program. It's all detailed. It's all put down in pretty much some segments that you can easily put in your information, click submit, boom, wait for the response. There's a response. Click, boom, reply. Everything is automated, and it actually works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below this video. It's going to take you directly to the site that we've created. We couldn't use the word credit wiping because they, quote unquote, let's use the quotes with they have a problem with wiping because I wish I had that letter. It has a appearance of not being lawful. There was something to that effect, so we couldn't use wiping, but we can use magic. Imagine that. Imagine that. I can tell you a lot of stories sitting in this seat for 10 years, CPN's Trade Lines Credit Repair, and us giving you the tools and software through Shelf Corps and all other products to help you guys accomplish your goals. But we have so much headwind of people, and not people, but entities, just try to prevent us from giving you UCC, Secure Party Credit, CPN's Trade Lines, Credit Repair, that we can't use credit wiping, but we can use credit magic when we actually created the website and then put the website in certain medians. So we have to use the words that they will will subscribe to. Okay. Now the good thing about it, just like you see the diagrams, that's just the diagrams of the video. But you would just wait until you get into the actual software, which took us a little while for us to create, but it makes everything easy. One last point I wanted to give you guys. Oh yeah, as far as the software, if it doesn't work, you have a full refund policy on this particular software, and it's actually backed and subscribed by a very large digital product producer out there, so it won't be any problems with downloading the software, getting it to work, and getting started. So this is something that I know works. It's something I put my name on, or I support because I know it works. We've actually used it for years. Okay, like I said, it's 2 segments to how we can actually do the credit repair. We can show you how to do it. If you got a free weekend, got time on a Saturday or Sunday, you got 30, 40, 50 minutes, an hour or so to get set up and get yourself taken care of in maybe 30 minutes a week, it's for you. It's just a program for you. If you need somebody to do it yourself, we still sell credit wiping products. I think it starts at $4.99 for I think up to 15 deletions, and we can take care of it for you also. But this is kind of like a digital ebook to a degree. So you can log in, you can access your own reports, you can get started, and you can start taking care of your own credit report. So I kind of like that because, excuse me, because it enables me to get people in and get people out, and then I don't have to deal with the stress of dealing with multiple clients because it's when you're dealing with 500 people, you know what I'm saying, you need help. Or if you're doing it yourself, it drives you crazy. So I figured this was a very good way for us to get started and to giving it to you directly. And I understand that you as an affiliate, you can turn around and use this and make your own sales. Once you learn how to do it yourself and you get used to the point and click process, you can start filtering in other clients, and then you could go ahead and transfer that $500 or $1,000 or $2,000 over to your other clients, and you can make money. This is something that you can make money over the next 10, 15, 20 years. So get started. It's on the website, creditwiping.com. I'm going to put this inside of my personal video log so everybody can find it, and I'm sending it to you personally so you can get started. Talk to you later. You need support, we got direct support, and again, this product is fully guaranteed.
Use our system to obtain the best credit possible.